Hi guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to walk you through my very simple task and idea tracker, which I use as a Notion creator. And the first thing that I wanted to say is that my key principle in building templates in Notion or building systems is simplicity, because I realized that whatever I end up using in my day-to-day work in Notion ends up being something very, very simple. So I'm not a big fan of this overcomplicated and heavy lifting, all encompassing operating systems. I rather like to break it down into very simple building blocks and workflows. So with that being said, let me show you how my task and idea tracking system works. And I actually use this on a day-to-day basis to sort of store and run my ideas, but also to manage daily tasks, and it works pretty neatly. So first of all, as you can see, like the best view, in my opinion, for something like this is the Kanban view. So this kind of board where you can move items between different statuses. The first thing to note is the Kanban view, and basically the way I set this up is that I have in the first column something called idea backburner, which is essentially a storage of all the ideas that come to my mind, and I keep them there. And for the ideas, I have built a simple template which I try to fill out, which includes very simple four things, which is the idea description, key benefits or value proposition which I intend to create with this idea, challenges, and next steps. So this is a very simple template that I try to fill out for each idea that comes here. And then I have, again, very simple, couple of columns here. A backlog is the backlog of tasks that need to get done, but they're either blocked or not on the table right now. And then I have three active statuses of tasks. So the ones that are being done, things to do, and eventually done. So this is a very simple key view of the system. And then I have a few more views which complement this basic board. The first one is the idea board, which just displays only the ideas, obviously. And here I have a bit of an extended view where I can see a little bit more about the idea descriptions. And this is a good view for me, at least, to sort of like have a visual view of all the ideas that I have in the pipeline. Then I have a calendar view, which again, very simply shows me when are deadlines for all the tasks that are in the system. And then there's also basically a table of done tasks, which I don't kind of need to display in the main board. And the last thing maybe to showcase here is how a task look like. So again, I keep it pretty simple, because it's just me using this system, so I don't need a big collaboration with different people. So basically, the first one is, of course, the status, which you have already seen. Then I have a category of the task, which is anything like personal, content creation, admin, indie hacking, invoicing, etc. So whatever category makes sense for me. Then I have a priority of the task. So I have three levels. There's like three rockets are the tasks with the highest priority, and then I have a done button, which I can click from the main board as well to to make it super efficient. And the last one is, of course, deadline. So this is really all I need to kind of manage and organize my tasks. And maybe the last thing to say is that I order the tasks in each column by the priority. So of course, like the highest priority tasks appear here on the top, and then whatever I'm doing, I can just click away with this button, and it goes to the done tasks. So That's it. I mean, it's super simple, as I've said in the beginning, but this is something that works for me. If you like this template, you can find a link in the description of this video, and I hope this has been helpful for you to get a bit of an inspiration of how I run my tasks and idea process as a Notion creator. So thank you very much for checking this out. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.